Hey, good afternoon. This is Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I was just going to take a quick minute and do a walk-around video of that 2015 Honda Odyssey you had expressed interest in, and I was just going to show you some of the spots that I saw. There's some little scuffing right there. All the body panels are in great shape. Did see a slight ding right there. Small scuff right there. Back looks good. There's a spot right there. A little bit right there. There's one right there. Right there. This one does have both keys. Show you the interior here. Passenger seat looks good. Driver's seat looks good. Back bench here. Ceiling looks good. And the back row here is in good shape as well. Carpets look good. Hope this gives you a better, accurate representation of the kind of quality vehicle we've got here. Thanks, and hope you have a great day.